The 2024 Honda CR-V 1.5 Turbo L4WD is a prime example of Honda's commitment to delivering a stylish, versatile, and performance-driven SUV. Priced at 1,649,000 baht, this model offers an array of features and innovations that elevate the driving experience to a whole new level. Striking exterior design. The CR-V showcases a striking exterior design with a bold front grille, sleek headlights, and dynamic lines that create a sense of sophistication and modernity. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances the SUV's aesthetics but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency. Turbocharged performance. Under the hood, the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. This turbocharged powertrain ensures responsive acceleration and a smooth driving experience, making it a joy to navigate various terrains. Intelligent All-Wheel Drive (AWD) System. Equipped with an intelligent all-wheel drive (AWD) system, the CR-V enhances traction and stability, providing confidence-inspiring control in diverse driving conditions. Whether on city streets or off-road adventures, the AWD system ensures optimal performance. Spacious and comfortable interior. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and comfortable interior. The CR-V's cabin is designed with high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail. Ample legroom, supportive seats, and intuitive controls create an inviting environment for both the driver and passengers. Advanced Infotainment System. The CR-V features an advanced infotainment system, complete with a user-friendly touchscreen display. Smartphone integration, navigation, and a premium sound system contribute to an enjoyable and connected driving experience. Comprehensive safety features. Safety is a top priority in the CR-V, equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and a multi-angle rearview camera, providing peace of mind for both city driving and long journeys. Panoramic sunroof. Enhancing the overall driving experience, the CR-V may feature a panoramic sunroof. This expansive roof allows natural light to fill the cabin, creating an open and airy atmosphere for all occupants. Versatile cargo space. The CR-V is known for its versatile cargo space. The rear seats can be easily folded down to accommodate larger items, making it practical for both everyday errands and adventurous getaways. Stylish alloy wheels. Completing the SUV's look. Stylish alloy wheels not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also contribute to overall performance and stability on the road. Premium L trim features. The CR-V 1.5 Turbo L4WD, being the top trim, may come with premium features such as leather upholstery, power-adjustable seats, and additional comfort and convenience enhancements, ensuring a luxurious driving experience. In summary, the 2024 Honda CR-V 1.5 Turbo L4WD, priced at 1,649,000 baht, stands as a testament to Honda's dedication to delivering a well-rounded SUV that combines style, performance, and advanced features. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on off-road adventures, the CR-V offers a refined and enjoyable driving experience for drivers and passengers alike.